Today we're going to crochet a daisy headband.
The whole hairband is made of a line of flowers and green leaves.
The finished product can also be used for bags. Next we start crocheting.
First, put a knot on your finger.
Crochet penetration. Crochet 2 lock needles.
Winding.
Return to the penultimate stitch. Crochet 6. Medium long needle. Then crochet a drawing needle with the first stitch. Then we crocheted 8 braid needles. Then return to the penultimate stitch and crochet 6 medium and long stitches.
Let's start with the left line.
Crochet 3 medium long needles.
Then go around to the right line segment.
Continue to crochet 3 medium and long needles. In this hole we crochet 6 medium and long needles. Then crochet a drawing needle with the first stitch. Continue to crochet 8 braid stitches. The crochet winding returns to the penultimate hole to crochet 6 medium and long needles.
Next, the hook method is the same. We need to tick out a total of 13 flower hearts.
Here I hook 4 flower hearts to show you. You can hook to the length you need. There are 7 needle orders on the flower center. The drawing needle is also regarded as a needle mesh. We start with the drawing needle. Dash 1234. Come to the 4th pinhead. Crochet penetration. We bring in the petal color line. Continue to crochet. Then 3 braid stitches were crocheted.
Winding.
From the hole.
Continue to crochet a medium length needle.
Continue to crochet a drawing needle from the hole. We crocheted the first half of the petal, and then we crocheted the second petal. Crochet from second hole. Penetrate. Take out a loop to crochet the drawing needle. Then crochet a medium long needle. And then through the hole. Dash 2 long needles were crocheted. Then continue to crochet a medium long needle from the hole. Then continue to crochet a drawing needle from the hole. So we have a second petal. It's done. Then we continue to crochet the third petal. The crochet goes through the next hole.
Crochet a drawing needle.
Then a medium long needle was drawn from the hole. Then 2 long needles were drawn from the hole. Then a medium long needle was crocheted from the hole. Then a drawing needle is crocheted from the hole. So we can crochet the third petal.
For the first leaf, we hooked half a petal.
The second and third leaves, we hook 2 complete petals. Then we go through the white line to hook the needle.
Crochet a drawing needle.
Then crochet a medium long needle from the hole.
Crochet a long needle from the hole.
We only need to take half a petal out of this hole. Then crochet a braid pin to connect.
And then we're in the front one.
Flower part. On the 4th needle,
Crochet a long needle.
then a medium long needle was crocheted from the hole. Then a drawing needle is crocheted from the hole. We only need to hook half a petal for this stitch. We hook out a complete petal for each of the latter 2 eyes. Crochet into the next hole.
Crochet a drawing needle.
Then the copper hole was crocheted into a medium long needle. Then 2 long needles were crocheted from the hole. Then crochet a medium long needle. Then a drawing needle is crocheted from the hole. A complete petal is hooked. Then we come to the next needle. First crochet a drawing needle. Crochet a medium long needle from the hole. Then he crocheted 2 long needles. Then hook and weave a medium long needle from the hole. From the hole to hook out a drawing needle.
We've got 2 complete petals.
Then we come to the drawing needle.
This needle.
In this pinhead. First hook out a drawing needle. And then from the hole. Then crochet a medium long needle. Then crochet a long needle. Crochet a braid pin connection. We crochet all the remaining petals in the same way.
Now we've got the last one.
1.5 petals are hooked on it.
And then we continue to crochet. 5 complete petals. What about 5 complete petals?
We came to the needle with only half a petal.
Then we are on this side.
Make up the other half of petals and crochet them into the same order. First crochet a drawing needle. Then crochet a medium long needle. Then a long needle was drawn from the hole. We came to the center. Hook up a braid pin to connect this position. We hook a needle in this position. Next, crochet 1 long needle. Connect to us. Half petal on the other side. Then hook and weave a medium long needle from the hole. Then crochet 1 from the hole. Drawing needle.
For the next 2 stitches, we crochet a complete petal.
After the 2 complete petals are hooked, we come to the needle with only half petals. Put the needle in. First crochet a drawing needle. Then crochet a medium long needle.
Then a long needle was crocheted from the hole.
Crochet a drawing needle at the center braid needle position.
The next hook method is the same. We crocheted the remaining petals. The last petal is hooked.
And then we're in.
At first, only half of the petals were hooked. The other half of the petal is filled with a needle. Crochet penetration.
Crochet a drawing needle.
Then crochet a medium long needle. Weave a long needle from the hole. Crochet a drawing needle with the first stitch. Hook a needle and we'll cut the thread. Thread end pulling out. We'll hook the petals.
Next we start to crochet the leaves.
First, put a knot on your finger.
Crochet penetration. We have 6 braids. Return to penultimate pinhead. Crochet a short needle. In the second pinhead, crochet a medium length needle.
In the third pinhead,
2 long needles are made from the same hole. In the fourth order, a medium length needle is crocheted. In the fifth pinhead, crochet a short needle. Then 2 braid needles are crocheted.
let's turn to the other side.
The first hole. Crochet a short needle. In the second hole, crochet a medium long needle.
In the third hole, 2 long needles are woven from the same hole.
A medium length needle is crocheted from the fourth eye.
Crochet a short needle in the fifth order.
Then crochet a drawing needle with the first stitch. We sew a leaf between the first flower and the second. The rest of it is sew a leaf between 3 flowers. The first leaf is on the bottom and the second leaf we sew on the top. Sew a leaf between the penultimate flower and the second flower. Through his white thread. Put it in and put this green thread. Bring it out. Hook a needle from here.
Hook from here.
Drawing needle. Then hook another one. Standing needle. Then cut the thread. Just cut the thread and let's hook and weave the bandage. From the center of the first flower. Through a green line. We hook the braid needle. Just hook to the length you need.